Hello there! So, can you identify this material? Oh, this is turmeric. Today, I am going to test with the help of turmeric whether the substance is acidic or it is basic. Before doing this experiment, you must know that turmeric changes its color into yellow color when it is in an acidic solution, and it becomes reddish brown when it is in a basic solution. So let us see, is it truth? I think it is lie, but let us test it out. So I am going to pour few drops of lime juice on the turmeric to test whether it is an indicator or not. See, nothing happens. Now, let us try out some detergent water. Oh, it was the truth. It becomes red. Let us try some more. I want to pour the whole solution over it. Perfect. As you can see, we got red color on pouring a basic solution on turmeric. It means turmeric is an indicator which changes its color to reddish brown when it is mixed with a basic solution. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this will help you to understand the nature of substances, the indicators, and some scientific terms. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later.